Many YouView users have been experiencing missing channels since BT Sport underwent a major transformation in July 2023. Understanding why this happened and what causes these issues is the first step to getting your sports channels back. Your YouView Box uses a hybrid system that combines traditional Freeview terrestrial signals with internet-delivered content. This dual approach means there are multiple points where things can go wrong. There are 5 main reasons why TNT Sports channels might be missing from your YouView Box. Each of these issues has different symptoms and requires different solutions. The most common issue is subscription-related problems. Your TNT Sports subscription might have expired, or there could be billing issues preventing access to the channels. To check your subscription status, you need to log into your BT or EE account online. This will show you whether your TNT Sports package is active and which channels are included. Understanding these root causes is essential before attempting any fixes. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific troubleshooting steps to restore your TNT Sports channels and get you back to watching your favorite sports content. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to restore your TNT Sports channels on YouView. We'll cover 5 key steps that resolve most channel issues. Step 1. Relink your BT or EE account. This is often the most effective solution as account connections can become outdated after system updates. Step 2. Perform a channel refresh and retune. This forces your YouView Box to scan for all available channels and update its channel list. Step 3. Clear the EPG cache and restart your box. The electronic program guide cache can become corrupted, causing channel display issues. Step 4. Verify your software is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with TNT Sports channels. Step 5. Check your network connection. TNT Sports requires a stable broadband connection with at least 10 megabits per second for HD streaming. If all previous steps fail, a factory reset may be necessary. Remember to back up your recordings and settings first, as this will erase all personal data from your YouView Box. Following these 5 troubleshooting steps resolves most TNT Sports channel issues on YouView Boxes. Start with account relinking, as it's the most common solution, and only proceed to factory reset if other methods fail.